In this video, I'm gonna fire up my gas grill. I'm gonna cook me some breakfast on the griddle. I've never used this griddle when it comes to cooking breakfast, so it's my first time. So you know what? Let's give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. All right, so we're cooking. All right, so obviously you're gonna let it go for quite a bit, you know, to get it cooked, and then see how it goes whenever I flip them. But yeah, man, breakfast. I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. All right, so let's give a little flip there. Little flip. Let it cook on that side. Yeah, liking it. Got the hash browns right there. Oh, remember, it's my first time cooking breakfast on this griddle, so give me a break. But yeah, so far so good. All right, it's coming along nicely. I'll move them to the side right there. And I absolutely love that this gas grill came with the griddle like this. So, you know, I got to work with it on just the size of it. So, but hey, I'm only cooking for me, so this is be plenty. Once this is done, I have some English muffins that I'm gonna get on the griddle and then toast them up, and then get some over easy egg going, and then I'll be done. But so far, I'm digging it. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop an egg. Get one egg right here. All right, alrighty. First attempt. All right, we'll see how that goes. All right, well, it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna take sausage off. So that's ready. Yep. Hash browns. That's ready. All right. All right, this is what I'm fearful of, guys. This is what I'm fearful of. All right, I gotta clear my throat. All right, and let it cook for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna flip it. All right, let's get those toasted up. Here to help me out since I'm a beginner. I'm just a beginner, guys. Be easy on me. But yeah. But you know what I did forget? I did forget the salt and black pepper for the eggs. Live and learn, right? Live and learn. Yeah, that's what I like to see. All right. There it is, like that. Let's bring you over here on this side. All right. Now, critique me all you want. You know, this is going to help me out. I'm not a griddle guy, y'all know that. So, but this, I'm telling you, this has been fun. I have enjoyed this. All right. And we cooking, huh? All right, so I'm gonna let this go and then I'm gonna flip it. And then I'm gonna put cheese on it. I want one saying with cheese and the other one without cheese. All right. So, all right. That was a little easier, but I'll get the hang of it. You gotta learn, right? You gotta learn. All right. Let's get some cheese on it. And this has been fun. I can't wait to do this again. I gotta learn how to cook some pancakes on this. Oh man, French toast. Man, possibilities right here, right? And this is perfect size just for me, because that's all I'm cooking for this morning. It's just for me, so this is just a perfect size. All right, so get it off. All right, I'm gonna shut this gas grill off, and then I'm gonna take a bite. Okay, I had some fun cooking my breakfast on this gas grill. That griddle, perfect size for me. You know, when I cook like this, didn't take too long. I know I got some learning curves, you know, I got to learn some more, but hey, I've been watching YouTube, so I need some more information, right? So critique me, let me know what I can do better. But yeah, overall, I just still had fun. It was just awesome. But hey, the real test is, how does it taste, right? So cheers, everyone. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh yeah. Oh man. If I just had some bacon, some jalapenos. Oh, it hit the spot. Man, I'm gonna have to do this again tomorrow. Oh man, but yeah, this was fun. My first time cooking breakfast on this griddle right here. So what do you think? Let me know. You know, hit me down in the comments below. But hey, I'm hungry. I gotta go inside. But as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.